Today we are going to solve this problem in two methods. Solution. In method 1, 900 power 900 by 450 in power 450. Now this 900 power can be written as 450 plus 450. So 900 power 450 plus 450 by 450 in power 450. Now this expression identity is a power m plus n equal to a power m times of a power n. We are going to apply this, so we'll get 900 power 450 times 900 in power 450. So by 450 power 450. Here the powers are same, the base are different. So we are going to let the express identity is a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. So 900 by 450 whole power 450 times of 900 power 450. Now simplify this, so cancel this, here 2. So 2 power 450 times of 900 power 450. Here base are different, powers are same in the product. This looks like express identity of a power n times b power n. So a b whole power n. So 2 times of 900 whole power 450. Now 2 times of 900 1800 in power 450. This is the answer in first method. We are going to see the second method now. Method 2. In this method 900 power 900 by 450 power 450. Now this 900 can be written as 450 times of 2. We are going to apply in the base. So 450 times of 2 whole power 900 by 450 in power 450. Now 450 times of 200 power 900 by 450 in power 450. Now this looks like express identity of a b whole power m equal to a power m times b power m. So 450 this 900 2 power 900 by 450 power 450. Now here base are same, the powers are different. So it looks like the express identity of a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. We are going to apply this here. So we get 450 900 this power minus 415 power times of 2 power 900 in power. So 450 minus this, so we'll get 450 times of this 2 power 900. Now this 900 can be written as 900 equal to 2 times of 450. So this can be written as 450 in power 450 times 2 power 2 times of 450. Now we know this express identity a power m times of n equal to a power m whole power n. We are going to apply this here. 450 power 450 times 2 power 2 whole power 450. We are applied this here. So 450 power 450 times of 2 power 2 is 4 power 450. Now looks like the powers are same, base are different. We are going to apply this express identity is a power n times b power n equal to ab whole power n. So we are going to apply this here. So 450 times of 4 whole power 450. Now multiply this 450 times of 4 is 1800 in power 450. This is this final answer in second method.